How to make arancini with a garlic mayonnaise. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be making arancini bowls that are going to have some nice cheese in it, slight garlic taste with a little bit of onion. They're going to be amazing. It's going to be a fine dice. That's right, just into nice fine dice. You can rub your knife through it slowly just to get that fine onion. Next step is heat your pan up, and then we want to add a touch of olive oil. Mine's got rosemary, garlic and thyme in. We're just going to heat it up gently. I'm going to do a little bit of garlic. I'm just going to do it thin slices so it's that rustic style. Not fine, just thin. Yeah, so you've got the garlic and onion on the chopping board. I've heated the oil up to a temperature. You don't want it too hot because it'll burn the onion. You want it so your onions are translucent, so you can just see through them so they're translucent. No actual brown or black, no colouring to them, just so they're translucent so they look lovely in the risotto. So you don't want the pan too hot. Too much or it's going to be too hot. Keep watching the onion. You've got the garlic flavour in there, you've got the lovely onion flavour, you've got the fresh olive oil in there. It's going to give it that lovely grams of risotto rice. Then give it a good mix in. Obviously if you want to make more arancini bowls, you're serving more people, you want to add a little bit more rice, double it up. And also you just want to keep it mixed in so it's getting all that olive oil in it, the onion. So you can add a touch of white wine if you want to. If you feel like adding a little bit of white wine, you can add a little bit of white wine, let that reduce down and give it a little bit more flavour. Half a chicken stock cube and about half a pint of water, and we've just warmed the water up and then just add a little bit of stock at a time. So we've added a little bit and we're just going to mix it in. We're going to reduce that stock down, let all the risotto rice soak up the stock, and then we'll add a little bit more when it's run out, and then we'll just keep adding a little bit more. That's going to gradually cook the rice and not all around so it doesn't catch while you're cooking it. So at the final stages, you want to get as much liquor out as you can. And then you want to transfer it onto a grease-proof tray. I'd put a little bit of grease-proof paper down and put the risotto rice on it. Or you can get a grease-proof tray, or you can get a tray and put a touch of oil on it. Whichever way. So now, and then spread it out evenly on the tray. And just let it cool down. So we've cooled the risotto down. We've added a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of salt, and a touch of olive oil, extra virgin. So then what we're going to do is we're going to add some cheese. I've got vegan cheese. You can use cheddar cheese, Parmesan, anything you want. It gives it that nice cheesy flavour. Just add a little bit in and then give it a good mix. So we've got our mixture here that's got cheese in, olive oil, salt and pepper, and it smells amazing. So you want to shape the bowls, the risotto, into nice even bowls so they're all the same shape, and just round them up so they roll nicely in the flour and the egg. Just keep them a nice shape. So these are the arancini balls shaped. We're going to put them next into egg wash and then breadcrumbs. So straight in the egg, and just roll it around gently, and then straight into the breadcrumbs and just cover it. You just want a light breadcrumb on them. How to make arancini with a garlic mayonnaise.